Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Say hello, babe.
Hi.
All right, me and the wife are down here at the beach. Just doing a little walk. Show you. Da Nang Beach. Okay, here we go. Walking down the beach. We just had lunch, right?
Yes. Good food.
Good food. You liked it? Okay.
Good mood. Good food. Good mood today.
Now we're gonna walk down the beach here. Normally it's too hot, but today it's not too hot. There's a nice breeze. It did rain yesterday. But see, everybody out
Fish.
hiding from the sun.
It's really nice. You want to sell it?
See the fish? Oh, check out those flowers on the bike. Pretty cool, huh? Go over there. I'll take a picture of you with the flowers. Nice. They do a lot of decorations down here. Oh, look, I learned how to zoom in on the camera. Let me see.
Really?
Yeah, that.
Wow, nice.
Yeah,
Okay.
I know how to zoom in now.
Good, good.
Check out the flowers.
Looks really nice.
Oh, look who it is. The guy from Echo Beach. Yeah. Yeah, I think so. Maybe not. All right. Beach looks good today. Look at the water, how blue it is. As you can see, barely anybody out at the beach during the day. Usually just foreigners. Oh, look, there's a little...
Bike.
Yeah, a bike. Flowers. She's got an umbrella.
It's really hot.
Really hot.
Now it's hot.
Oh.
Luckily, we have umbrella on nearby.
Ah. And as you can see, they have shades down there so people can sit in the shade and order coconuts. But yeah, they do some nice decorate. The government does really nice decorations and keeps it pretty all the time. They change it up every now and then, make it different. Oh, look at
Real?
here. Smell the flowers.
It's real, Brian.
Yeah, it's real. See? You think it's fake? Check out the little artwork. Yeah, this place is really busy at night. Lights light it up. Oh, here we go. Here, smile in front of this sign. Nice. Mike Beach. Is that how you say it? Mike? All right. You can see more people down here. Ooh. Coconuts, fresh coconuts. Sometimes they have massage down here too. Beautiful day. Not too hot. Nice breeze. Oh, check out these flowers. That's a nice flowers arrangement, they call it, I think. Ah. Man, that's beautiful. If you're into flowers, look at that. You can have a bike and flowers. Oh my God. Look at this. I guess they call this the Miami Beach of Da Nang, from what I hear. I could see, you know, can see why, for sure. Man, this is really nice how they do this. It looks like someone holding up the pot on their head. Right? Oh, nice flowers. We'll follow the wifo with her bag of Highland coffee. Oh, look, they're watering. I gotta water this every day, I'm sure. Jake! Jake! Ciao! Lam tot lam! Lam tot lam! Gotta practice my Vietnamese whenever I can. That means good job, right, Bib?
Yeah.
There you go, lam tot lam. Oh, wow. Look, zoom in. As you can see, taking pictures down here, get dressed up, come and take pictures of the beautiful scenery. And we got some foreigner people. Foreigner people hanging out in bikinis. You never see, very rare, a Vietnamese girl in a bikini. They're usually very conservative. Cover their skin always. Oh, look at these flowers. Man, who's doing these flower arrangements? Pretty nice. Oh yeah, it's a lighthouse, a little lighthouse. Nice. And they got the little boat. Nice lighthouse. No, they got. Boy, the sun's coming out. Oh, over there, okay. Wow, there's. Oh, look at that. The little boats. Nice little boat arrangement. There's another boat. I wonder who made design, designs this stuff. Have the vision, to do this. It's all real flowers. What's his favorite?
The swing. It's a swing, right?
Yeah, swing.
Swing.
See? You're learning. Thing is, she can remember everything. I can't. It takes me a long time to remember the words. There's the swing. Swing on the beach with the view. Yeah, we got a little bar out here, beach bar. Yo, it's me. I think I had to zoom in on too much. All right, there we go. Let's try this again. There, much better. Oh, here you go, Casa Bay Bar. Ciao. Hello. See, everybody friendly. Uh-oh. Want to see them working in action? Check it out. Try my zoom. There he is, carving out the wood, making some real tables and chairs. Wow. See? And over here, he's cutting the wood. Oh no, it's a planer. It's a planer. He's planing the wood. Ah. Wow, they're making their furniture right there. Okay, I got it better now. I had the zoom too far.
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, let's go back. Go back. Walk back. I don't want to get too far. No, I don't want to go to the beach. I don't have my bathing suit. Just watching these guys make the furniture. Look at that. See those tables right there they just made? Check it out. Nice umbrella. I like to keep an umbrella in my motorbike just because protection from the sun. Yeah, beautiful day again, huh? I'm full, or should I sit down and have a coconut or something?
Oh, you want it?
No, I'm full.
I'm not full yet.
Why, you want to get something?
But I have a drink with it.
You want to get some? Oh, you already have a drink? Okay. Oh, there's the boats again with no... Now you can see them without the... I had it zoomed in too much. Nice. Bicycle. They have showers here, everywhere. Uh-oh. You got the boyfriend taking pictures. That's how it is these days, I've noticed. The boyfriend takes pictures of the girl all day long. That's what they do all day. So, you know, if you have a good camera, then, hey, you know, you're in luck. Real important, taking pictures these days. That's all they do, go out all day taking pictures. Oh, oh. See? He's in trouble. He took a bad picture. Yeah, I've been there before, right, babe?
What do you?
I always take bad pictures.
Yes.
See? That's it, guys. You take bad pictures and then they don't ask you anymore. So, you know, I don't want to spend all day taking pictures. I want to enjoy the day. There are more pictures. Whoa. Yeah. There's a lifeguard station. Pretty nice. Looks like it says 08. Oh, here's the toilets. WC. Oh, take a picture right in front of the toilet, babe. Nice. See? And here, the toilets are nice. You can use them. I know, like in America, sometimes by the toilets by the beach, man, you can't use them. You know, people with drugs are hanging out there, or people doing shady things in the bathrooms. Here, that doesn't happen. Right? Here, it doesn't happen. You could have a toilet near the beach, and people use it as a toilet and keep it clean. Nice. I like the cup in the picture. Highland Coffee. Are you advertising for Highland Coffee?
Huh?
Are you advertising for Highland Coffee?
What that mean?
That means like selling their products. Oh, look. Oh, we got some workers in action. Oh yeah, see? That's how they get the water from the ground. They pump it up with those pumps, which is smart. Right now she's priming the pump. She's priming it with water. See, they get the water from the well to water everything. See?
Let's see. Let's see she done.
She'll plug it in and it'll pump up.
And,
Look. Is it working? Uh-oh. More prime. See, they have to put that water in it to get it to pump up. If not, it'll just be too full of air. Uh-oh. Just trying. No, not yet.
I'm gonna help her.
I can't do anything. How am I going to help her? Come on, you can do it.
Em kêu ông cái này giúp chị không?
Yeah. There she goes.
Go get some.
Boy, it's nice. See, this hotel is blocking the sun. Really cool. The Grand Tureen.
Grand Touring. It's a Grand Touring.
There's another one, new one they're doing right there. Huh?
She did.
Oh, it is working. She's over here. Oh, it is working. Let's see her. Ah, yeah, she got the water going over there. All right. Maybe she's running away from you. Yeah. Motorbike. Meow. Yeah, like I said, these beaches are really clean, really nice. You know, no crazy people anywhere. You don't have to worry about drugs or anything here. Definitely no drugs. Makes everything a whole lot safer and nicer. They're very strict on drugs here. They'll give you the death penalty if you get caught, smuggling drugs in the country. So they're serious about it. And I think It's actually a good thing because to keep the drugs out, that keeps a lot of the problems. We don't have the problems, you know? Drugs is what causes all the problems in America, most of them. Homeless people, you know, crazy people. It's what I really like about here. You don't see that anywhere. Uh-oh, uh-oh. That's a three-wheeler. Says my wife is disconnected. Oh, battery level. Oh, maybe not. Oh, it's relaxing. On the motorbike. Oh, is he doing a massage over there? I didn't see it. Oh, it's down more. I don't know. Yeah. All right, taking pictures. Okay, Bip, you have something to say? Let's see.
You ask me something.
Yeah, so, boy, it's got the face tracking. It's horrible.
It's okay. You can take your face.
I don't want my face in it. People don't want to see my...
Nice. Face.
Okay, so, how's your day?
Good.
What do you think about the beach today? What do you like about it?
Everything is nice.
Everything's nice?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I like the weather today. It's not too hot. It's just right. Not too close? No. So, yeah. That's sometimes we like to walk down here on the beach when the weather's correct. When it's not too hot, it's just right. So, it's a beautiful place. See, how long has this been? 22 minutes. So, yeah. Taking pictures. Yeah, so it's nice coming to the beach here. You know, it's very simple. Parking is easy. Doesn't cost you maybe 50 cents, 25 cents to park. Huh? So, yeah, and then come down here and relax. You don't have to worry about any shenanigans down here. Just relaxing on the beach. There, let's see. On the phone.
Đúng rồi. Hôm nào không rảnh thì sẽ nhắn cho Huy. Buổi sáng là rảnh hết á. Buổi chiều là hay đi ra ngoài này đi có việc ấy. Thứ sáu luôn hả?
All right, guys, thanks for sticking around. Catch you on the next one.
Khi nào mình thi tốt nghiệp á.
All right, we're back. There we are. A little ways down the beach. There's like the coconut palm tree beach. Come down there, do exercise. Oh, look. Look at that. That's like homemade cement with a bar in the middle. Like Fred Flintstone. It's like a Fred Flintstone workout bar. Check that out. See that? Homemade. See? Just a pipe and some cement. Oh. I was looking at his, they have a homemade equipment over there. Ah, man, it's so cooler over here, isn't it? Pictures. Go over there, babe. Take a picture. I like them. No? Uh-oh. Oh, she's thinking, where should I take a picture? Or a good photo. Oh man, look, they have hammocks over here. Everybody's taking a siesta. See? Hammock Central. You're tired, just come down here. Relax on the beach in a hammock. Yeah. Check out that view. Why does it keep saying the Osmo audio transmitter disconnected? Huh. I don't know if it's working or not. One last look at the view. Oh yeah. Yeah.
You wanna go ask them they bring it the helmet here or someone?
No, it's okay. No, they put them up there. Huh? Oh, I got to go walking towards the beach. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.